Rafael from the product team here at Bloom Growth. Today, I want to give you a quick tour of the new business plan. How do you get there? You click on the side nav, you'll find under Tools, the business plan here. Once you click on here, it will take you to the main business plan in your organization. So let's talk about it. Now you have presentation mode and edit mode. The difference between one and the other is exactly that. While in presentation mode, you only have the ability to see the business plan. When you go to edit mode, you can now do all the edits you need. And let's talk about the edits. Now you can change everything in the business plan. So I want to rename this from core values to my values. You can do that. You can add type details in here like this is the first value. If you want to add more, you can also do that by clicking on the three-dot menu, click on the plus sign, add item. Now you have 4. You can keep doing that as long as you need more and more core values. You also have the ability to create context over issues everywhere in this business plan. You can create a context over issue out of your core values, out of your focus tile, out of your 3-year vision tile. Anywhere you see a line item, you'll have the ability to create a context over issue. In here, we have context over issue, add an item, and archive the item. Next, let's talk about the tiles themselves. The tiles are really interesting now. You can now resize them. Just like I'm doing here, you can move them around. So maybe this is my preferred view. So I can move my tiles around to match my styling or my company styling, operating system. I can do all the edits I need to fit my needs here. So you can do as many customization as you want. You now have the ability to switch between the future focus page and the short-term focus page. Now these are 2 different tabs. Instead of scrolling and going to the next page, now all you have to do is go to the next tab. Now I want to talk about the features inside of the tiles. Now you can move one to the other section. I want this focus tile to be on the short-term focus. I click here. I want to duplicate this tile and edit it to fit my needs. I can do that. I want to hide this tile. Let's do it right now. If I hide this tile, it's going to be available here in this 3-dot menu, where you'll find the PDF, and I'll get there in a second. You can show the layout preview of how your business plan looks. You can clean up the tiles in case you have some blank spaces or a tile all the way to the bottom. You can clean the layout. You have the restore hidden tiles. The one I just hid is right here. If I click on focus, it will take it back to the original spot. I have the option to share plan with the org. Now, since you have the ability to have multiple business plans, you can select which plans you want to share. This, for example, is the sales weekly meeting plan. I can share it with the rest of the organization, so we have that level of visibility now. And you can make it your org business plan, shared across the entire organization, and that would make it the main business plan for this organization. So talking about this menu over here, under the name of your business plan, you'll be able to find all of your business plans now. You don't have to go searching for it meeting by meeting. All you have to do is go to the top left, click there, you'll find your org business plan, your plans, and then if there are any shared plans as well, we'll find them over here. You have the option to add a business plan. You can either create a new business plan, and that will take you to this screen, letting you know that once you add a new business plan, the data between the legacy version and this new version won't be in sync. If you want to bring the data from the legacy version, you also have that option. All you have to do is click on transfer, add a business plan, transfer an existing business plan. And what this will do is bring all of the information you have from your legacy business plan into the new business plan right here in the new version. Once you do that, it will ask you to select the meeting. In this case, I only have available the marketing meeting at this point. Both of these meetings already have a business plan attached. So there's that. Next, I want to talk about the autosave. Now we have the autosave here letting you know when and at what time the last autosave happened. This was December 19th at 4:26, 2 minutes ago. That's when I just did the last edit on this business plan. So you also have that level of visibility here in case you're wondering when was the last time we did any change to our business plan. Now you can tell. Now I want to talk about the PDF preview. The PDF preview is marvelous now. You have this page right here, which is going to mimic an actual piece of paper. And it's telling you, here is the page break. So this is when your next page starts. If I can move my tiles around here and it won't impact the business plan in the app. This is just going to modify how it looks for the print. So I can move the tiles here, move this to the next page if I want, and then this is not impacting the business plan in app. What happens if I don't like what I did? Easy. Click on Reset PDF Layout. This is going to take my tiles again to the same position as before. And I have two options. I can print portrait, landscape. If I do landscape, it's a different PDF than the one in the portrait view. So all the changes you do in this view are independent from the ones on the other view. Once you hit generate PDF, it's going to give you the final version of that PDF. So this is a really neat feature. So yeah, this is the new business plan. We're hoping you like it. There's a lot of customization now. You can edit every single line item in here. You can drag and drop the different line items if you want. You can have the numbered list if you don't want the bullet points, or vice versa. You can take it back. So there's a lot of customization here for you to play around with. Moving the tiles, hiding the tiles, duplicating the tiles, moving them, resizing them. Do whatever you want in this business plan. We hope you have fun, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.